How to cure bad breath permanently. 26 effective natural home remedies for mouth odor and bad breath from nose and stomach. If you are looking for permanent cure for bad breath and mouth odor, you have come to the right channel. On Natural Healing Guides, we provide research-based home remedies for major health conditions. To be notified when we upload new natural health and motivational videos, consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and bell icon. Many people suffer from bad breath, with many others not even aware of the condition. It is estimated that about 50 million Americans have the problem. Bad breath can be a source of embarrassment to some people, however, understanding the condition and seeking treatment will go a long way to remedy the situation. Disappointingly, many people with bad breath are ashamed to come out and seek help, but prefer to hide the problem. In this video, we shall take a look at some natural treatment methods for bad breath, which can be done at home. But before we go on to the remedies, let us learn more about the condition. What is bad breath? Bad breath, or halitosis, is an oral condition that is marked by an offensive or unpleasant odor of the mouth. While this condition can last for a short time, it can also be recurring. Bad breath can be as a result of some other health condition or due to poor oral hygiene. What causes bad breath? Bad breath can be caused by several factors such as a poor dental hygiene, food and drink particles, tobacco smoking, mouth infections, medications, alcohol, dehydration, stomach ulcer, xerostomia or dry mouth, halitophobia. Symptoms of bad breath. The major sign of bad breath is the unpleasant odor emanating from the mouth. Other symptoms may include dry mouth, coating on the tongue, and changes in taste. Fast way to get rid of mouth odor at home. If you want your mouth odor to stop in less than 24 hours, try TheraBreath Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. This oral rinse is a dentist-formulated mouthwash that targets sulfur-producing bacteria to help fight bad breath. It is clinically proven to be effective for up to 24 hours. It uses clinically proven ingredients to help fight the bacteria that cause bad breath odor and stop sour, bitter, and metallic tastes in your mouth. You can buy this on Amazon for under $20. Look in the description box below for link to get it. Natural home remedies for bad breath. Although there are many dental products in the market today for treating bad breath, most of them are only effective in the short term. Here are some natural remedies that can bring a long-lasting solution to bad breath. 1. Drink water. We already mentioned that dehydration can be the cause of halitosis. Therefore, drinking lots of water to keep the body and mouth hydrated is a simple way of preventing bad breath. When the mouth is properly hydrated, bacterial activity in the mouth is reduced. 2. Limit coffee and alcohol intake. Both coffee and alcohol are considered as diuretics. They promote the increased flow of urine, which can lead to hydration. So, cutting back on the consumption of these two beverages is another natural remedy for, and preventative measure against bad breath. 3. Observe proper oral hygiene. Poor oral hygiene such as improper teeth brushing can lead to halitosis. This is because pathogenic bacteria in the mouth are dangerous when proper oral care is not observed. Regular brushing, flossing, and gargling are important for oral health. 4. Milk. Halitosis caused by eating pungent foods like garlic and onion can be cured by drinking milk. Various research results attest to the fact that milk helps in treating bad breath. 5. Orange. Orange is packed with vitamin C, which has been linked with saliva production in the mouth. Most times, bad breath is caused by dry mouth or an insufficient production of saliva. Eating oranges or drinking fresh orange juice is a natural way of treating halitosis. 6. Apples. According to a study, eating raw apples can help in treating bad breath caused by eating garlic. The reason for the action of apples on bad breath is attributed to the various compounds present in the fruit which help to neutralize the odor-causing compounds in garlic. This method can be particularly helpful to persons whose bad breath is caused by consuming garlic. 7. Aloe vera. The antimicrobial properties of aloe vera come into play here. You can make a mouthwash from aloe vera by adding aloe gel with boiled water. This solution is quite as effective as some commercial mouthwash, according to research. In addition, aloe vera gel has wound healing capabilities that should help in closing any wounds in the mouth. 8. Exercise. Exercising every day can help to improve blood circulation and ventilation, which is helpful in maintaining general body health. In addition, exercising helps to counter the microbial activity in the mouth that leads to halitosis. 9. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants such as EGCG, which is a polyphenol that helps in combating disease-causing bacteria. Drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea daily until the bad breath subsides is an effective natural remedy. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which is dangerous to bacteria. The antibacterial effect of vinegar is beneficial to oral health as it helps to maintain pH balance in the mouth. Simply add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of cold water and gargle for about 5 minutes before rinsing. 11. Parsley. The chlorophyll content of parsley leaves is what helps in curing bad breath. Adding parsley leaves to your meals or chewing them directly is a good way of treating halitosis. 12. Get enough sleep. Insufficient sleep has far-reaching effects on the entire body, including the mouth. Research results show that some types of bad breath may be related to a person's sleeping pattern. This is probably because gut microbiome affects diurnal rhythm. Moreover, adequate sleep helps to boost the immune system. 13. Gum. Chewing sugar-less gum helps in curing bad breath by stimulating saliva production in the mouth, which in turn neutralizes bacterial activity in the mouth. It has already been stated that keeping the mouth hydrated is a natural way of combating disease-causing bacteria. Furthermore, most of the sugar-free gums have fragrant flavors that keep the bad breath at bay. This is only a temporary cure for bad breath. 14. Epsom salt. Epsom salt has detoxifying and antibacterial properties that are helpful in treating bad breath. Gargle with a solution of Epsom salt in water. This should be done every day during the initial stages, but should be done once in 2 days after some time. 15. Lemon juice and yogurt. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which helps in combating odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. On the other hand, yogurt contains probiotics, beneficial bacterial, that help in maintaining oral flora. When you combine these two, then what you have is a natural formula for combating bad breath. For this method, you will need to mix 2 tablespoons of unflavored yogurt with a teaspoon of lemon juice to form a paste, then, apply the mixture on the teeth. After leaving the paste about 7 minutes, rinse off with warm water. 16. Guava. Guava is rich in vitamins like vitamin C and minerals like malic acid. In addition to other active compounds present in guava such as tannic acid and oxalate, these minerals are beneficial to oral health. Eating unripe guavas when you have bad breath will help to get rid of the problem. 17. Cinnamon. Halitosis can also be treated by chewing cinnamon sticks. The antimicrobial and antibacterial properties of cinnamon help in fighting off microbes responsible for the bad breath. Another method is by mixing cinnamon powder with honey and lemon juice in hot water to make a mouthwash. 18. Ginger. Gargling with water-diluted ginger root extract is a simple home remedy for halitosis. This should be done immediately after eating. The underlying reason is due to the fact that ginger possesses strong antimicrobial properties that help in fighting off mouth infections. 19. Coconut oil. The use of coconut oil as a cure for bad breath is a common remedy. The reason for this is due to the fact that coconut oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Gargle with a tablespoon of coconut oil for about 10 minutes before spitting it out. Don't forget to rinse the mouth with warm water afterward. 20. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are also effective in treating halitosis. While chewing the seeds will help to freshen the breath, it also helps to eliminate infections that may be responsible for the bad breath. 21. Baking soda. According to studies, baking soda can help in treating halitosis. You can prepare a baking soda mouthwash for bad breath by adding 2 teaspoons of the powder to a cup of warm water. Gargle with the mouthwash for about a minute before spewing. Another way of using baking soda is by mixing it with lemon juice to make a paste. Rub the paste on the teeth and allow for about a minute before rinsing. 22. Salt water. Salt water solution can also help in treating bad breath. Since saltwater is neutral, it helps to balance the pH of the mouth, making it difficult for disease-causing bacteria to function. Aside from this, salt water solution also has antimicrobial properties that should benefit halitosis patients. 23. Cardamom. Cardamom is a native Indian herb with aromatic seeds. This plant has been used for years in India as a mouth freshener and eliminates bad breath with its sweet smell. If you have bad breath, get a cardamom pod and chew after your meal. 24. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antioxidant and antibacterial properties that will help in the treatment of bad breath. For the purpose of treating bad breath, add a few drops of the oil in a glass of lukewarm water and gargle for about 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can add the tea tree oil to your toothpaste for brushing. 25. Sesame oil. Sesame oil helps in curing halitosis by cleansing the mouth of harmful bacteria. Gargle with a solution of sesame oil in water to get rid of bad breath. Besides, sesame oil also helps to whiten the teeth. 26. Pineapple juice. Based on anecdotal reports, pineapple juice is considered as a quick and effective natural remedy for bad breath. Drinking pineapple juice or eating slices of the fruit can help you get rid of the bad breath. Moreover, there is no harm in drinking pineapple juice. While bad breath can be the result of a poor oral hygiene or bad lifestyle habits, other cases of halitosis may be a symptom of another health condition. That said, when you have tried all the natural home remedies for bad breath that you know and the symptoms are not improving, you should consult a dentist. If you love this video, please like and share your opinion in the comment box below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure and our official website at naturalhealingguides.com. Thanks for watching.